another vlog. It's me, your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm at a place called the Zakaria Street here in Kolkata, and this place is, filled with people. You have narrow lanes, wide lanes. Everywhere you go is food, right? It's only food and food, right? So till 5 in the morning, they sell food in this area called the Zakaria Street, right here in Kolkata, right? So let's go and explore. As you can see, this brothers are, making the tandoori chicken, right? And it's a crazy market. If you love food, you will definitely, enjoy this vlog. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe. So let's go look at some delicious food. Let's go, guys, and subscribe. Watch the vlog till the end. Right, guys, so I'm gonna start the vlog from here, right? So this section here, these brothers make, tandoori chicken, right? So this is the tandoori chicken. That's the oven. Those. एक बार शो खोलो ना, please. एक बार खोलो ना. Look, guys. So that's delicious tandoori chicken, right? As you can see there, right? So this brother here is doing something. Hello, भैया. कैसे हो आप? How are you? अच्छे हो? ये क्या बना रहा है? ये अफगानी chicken है. Oh, guys, this one is the Afghani chicken, right? That's the tandoori chicken, and this one is the Afghani chicken. You see, it's all chicken. This is truly meat paradise, right? So let's go front. As you can see, is filled with people, right? So it's a crazy market, right? Right till top there and there, right? So in a place called the Zakaria Street. So they sell food till 5 a.m. in the morning, right? Well, this is a month of Ramadan, right? And that's how it is. Look, guys, now you see this giant pan here, right? In India, you call this karai, right? So this brother is frying some chicken, right? Hello, Via. Cool. Okay, cool. Look, guys. Just look at this. This is nothing, guys. I'm gonna show you this. Just look at the size of this pan. It's insane, right? I don't know what's this. Those. कैसे हो आप? अच्छे हो? ये वाला क्या है भैया? चंगेजी. Guys, the name of this dish is Changeji chicken, right? I don't know. It's chicken. That's it. And they cook this with Indian spice, right? And ये वाला क्या भैया? Butter chicken. This is the butter chicken. Everywhere you go, you only see food, right? You see all chicken filled with people. People are having great time. They are with their families, friends, lovers, children. Everybody is welcome here, right? So it's insane, guys. Look. All cool, brother? All cool. Great. Look, guys. So they fry the chicken here, right? So that section there, those brothers, they put layers of butters, right, with some extra spice and some lime, and they mix that and they serve the customer, right? So if you come to a place called the Zakaria Street, come and visit this place called the Delhi 6, right? So you see tons of people are waiting in the line to go inside and try chicken. So guys, this is done. So everywhere is food, right? It's food and food. You see, people are enjoying. They have lights here, right? Now, what's that? Guys, that pan was nothing, This pan is, bigger than that pan. That's insane. Oh my goodness. I don't know what this brother is making here. Cool, bhaiya, cool. Take care. Guys, just look at this crazy pan. It's insane, Oh my goodness. कैसे हो भैया? अच्छे हो? आप क्या बना रहे हैं? Darbari chicken. Okay, so guys, they're gonna cook a chicken called the Darbari chicken, right? Well, they are cooking the sauce, right? So first they cook the sauce and they add the chicken, right? Hannah. So you वो वाला चिकन जाएगा अंदर में, डायरेक्ट जाएगा डायरेक्ट. डालो डालो भैया डालो. Look guys, look. So he's gonna put the chicken now. It's insane. You know, this pan is insane. Oh my goodness. Just look at it, guys. So the name of this dish is I forgot. भैया कौन सा dish बोला आपने? Darbari chicken. So they are cooking Darbari chicken, right? Look at it. As you can see, the butter is like floating, you know, tons of butter in this, Indian spice, you know, and this is the chopped chicken, and that's the leg piece. Leg piece भी जाएगा भैया? जाएगा ना? हाँ. Leg. Oh wow. And that's the tandoori oven, right? Okay, भैया. Have a good night. Take care, bro. Look. Taskin Dukan. Cool. Now, guys, as you can see, these brothers are enjoying. Enjoy your food, brother. Take care. So, guys, you know, everywhere you go, you only see food, right? So here, these brothers are selling something, you know. Hello, भैया. कैसे हो आप? अच्छे हो? What is this? इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Semai. Guys, this is a dish called semai, right? So you have to put this in milk. दूध में पकाना पड़ता है ना? हाँ. So you have to put this in milk. It's like a sweet kind of a dessert, right? So they have different types of semai. You call this semai, right? Look, guys. Just look at the crowd. The crowd is insane, you know, because this is a month of Ramadan, right? Ramadan. So people, they come from all over the place here in Kolkata, even outside Kolkata to, come and, be in this festival of Ramadan, right? So it's a festival. Assalamu alaikum bhaiya. कैसे हो आप? अच्छे हो? Okay. कैसे हो दोस्त? How are you? आप क्या बेच रहे हैं? Dahi vada. So this brother is selling dahi vada in this, stand here, right? So look, guys, looks like this. Guys, this one is the mutton halim, right? Well, as you can see, this giant pot, they cook this dish called halim in this pot for like 4 to 5 hours, right? And they serve this in this mud clay pot, right? Hello, Bhaiya. How are you?
I am fine.
आपका नाम क्या भैया? Imran. Guys, his name is Mr. Imran, and the fried onion goes in, and some salt, some lime. This is the mutton halim.
मटन 120 रुपए भाड़े, चिकन आपका 100 रुपए भाड़े.
Squeeze of lime goes in as well, and this is the desi ghee, right?
सीधा खाता है, सीधा निकाल के दे दिया, बोला खत्म हो गया.
If you want to eat some chicken, come to Kolkata, Darbari, guys, this is the Darbari chicken. Guys, this market is insane, right? So this was the Delhi 6 I showed you in the beginning when we went there, right? Well, they have tons of food, right? So I just showed you the most, well, if I make a long video, right, this will be like about 1-2 hour video, right? But I'm gonna show you in brief, like, here the food which you get. I'm out of words, you just look, guys. This is the halwa. You're fine, dude, abacho? Cool, fine, okay. Look, guys, this dish here is called the halwa, right? It's a sweet dish and you can enjoy that with this bread called the paratha, right? Well, that's how it is. Okay, bro, good night. Yeah. Okay. Guys, look at this, these brothers are making, roller ice cream. Have you seen something like this? You let me know. Look, guys, so he has this, handle here and he has the fruits. आप ये फ्रूट कैसे डालती हो मिक्स करके? हाँ मिक्स नहीं, इसको कैसा ऐसे पकड़ कर रहता है? दिखाओ. Look, guys, the way this is mango. किसके लिए नहीं है? This is the roller ice cream. Look, guys. Oh wow, that's how you get the ice cream. It's very, very unique, guys. Okay, that's how you put. Cool, bro. आपका नाम क्या है? What's your name?
कृष्णा यादव।
आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा भाई. Okay, cool. Okay, bro. Good night. Thank you. You have a good night. Look, guys, this is a very unique way of getting fruit ice cream, right? Yeah. Let's explore more, guys. What is this brother selling here? Hello, भैया. Good evening. How are you? आप कैसे हो? ये वाला क्या बना रहा भैया?
यह लंदन चॉकलेट।
Oh, guys, this is the London chocolate. Look at that. Oh wow. Okay. Guys, this market is busting with people. Hello, brother. कैसे हो आप? How are you? You're fine. आप ये क्या बना रहा?
ये अफगानी चिकन के लिए स्पेशल आइटम है।
Guys, this is the Afghani chicken. Man, like I love barbecue. This is like the Indian way of doing.
कबाब ग्रेवी,
This is the mutton
बटर क्रीम ग्रेवी,
butter cream gravy. Wow, guys, they have other chicken here as well.
हरियाली चिकन टिक्का रोस्ट,
Haryali
Chicken Afghani.
chicken Afghani. Oh
चिकन
wow.
चिकन टिक्का लाल रेड।
Tikka lal. Look, guys, the smell is amazing, guys. Okay, bro. Thank you. Have a good night. Guys, this market is, busting with people, beautiful smell of the food, right? Well, it's amazing. Guys, look at that beautiful moon up there, right? So they have this market going on till 5 in the morning, right? That's insane. कैसा है दोस्त? Hi पे Cool? Cool. So guys, everywhere you go, you see chicken and chicken and chicken. This is the chicken shawarma, right? How are you दोस्त? आप अच्छे हो? हंस रहे हैं। अभी आप बना रहे क्या? Order आया? Look guys, I'm gonna show you the way this brother makes chicken shawarma, right? Well, there's a chicken shawarma here. There's a chicken shawarma there as well. Look guys. So basically, chicken shawarma is like they have this rod, right? So they put the chicken from on top of that, and they, before putting the chicken, they marinate the chicken, right, in different Indian spice, and they have the fire burning back there, right? So this thing, rolls the spins, right? That's where you get this grilled chicken called the chicken shawarma, right? That's not the chicken shawarma. Chicken shawarma is like when they put this on the bread with different sauce and cream, That's why. Then you call this chicken shawarma. Now, it's like a wrap, right? This is an Indian wrap that's called the chicken shawarma. And the cheese goes in as well, I love cheese, guys. If you love cheese, you let me know. Oh my goodness. This is the first time. Bhaiya, पहला बार देख रहे कोई चीज़ डाल रहा है ऐसा like liquid cheese देखा मैंने पर ऐसा पहला बार देखा. Guys, I've seen people putting liquid cheese, but they just put that cheese, I don't know, that flat cheese. That was something very unique, right? So that's the Indian wrap. Okay, cool, bro. You have a good night. Thank you, brother. Good night. Sorry. So what do you have in this? ये कैसे बनाता है भैया? दूध से? दूध और खोआ. चावल है. Oh, guys, so they make this, a sweet dish called the firni, from milk. A sweet item called the koa. I don't know what's that, right? And they put some sort of a rice, to get the firm, like a jelly, right? So to get this in a firm shape, so they add, some sort of a sweet rice as well. So yeah. So as I'm speaking, this brother is smiling, right? So he has this big raw steak, right? Like a spoon. So you just have to keep, mixing it. Otherwise, that will stick to the pan. Okay, brother. Have a good night. Yeah, good night. Thank you. Good night. You keep smiling, brother. Be happy. Look, guys. Mohabbat. So, guys, you see this drink here is called the Mohabbat. Mohabbat means love, right? Mohabbat means, as you can see, right? Mohabbat, that's the Hindi name. Mohabbat means love. So this drink is a love drink. So if you want to propose to your girlfriend, give a glass of this drink to her. I love you or something. That's crazy. Well. I was just kidding, guys. Look, Mohabbat. Hello, bhaiya. Good evening. How about you? How are you? Yeah, cool. What's that? ये क्या भैया? What is this? Robza. Oh, guys, that's like a sweet, syrup that goes in this drink called the Mohabbat, drink, right? So they have, this is the rose paddle, right? And that is a big cube of ice, right? Then they put आप इसमें क्या डालता है वो pineapple क्या बोलता? Watermelon. Okay, so they put watermelon, inside this drink called the Mohabbat Sarbat, right? Sarbat is the drink. Mohabbat means love, full of love. So these brothers, they make this drink out of love. आप लोग प्यार से बनाते हैं ना? प्यार से. Okay, भैया. Have a good night, brother. Take care. Okay. Okay guys, so we come to an end right of this video. Thank you guys for watching the vlog. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories. Love, peace. See you soon guys. Take care. Bye bye. And please subscribe, if you want to support me, you subscribe to my channel, because that is the most easiest way for you to subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye. Well, not bye. See you soon. Take care.